So if you are new to quantitative data analysis and perhaps you are contemplating which tools you can use to conduct a quantitative analysis, here are 5 powerful tools that you can use to make your work faster, easier, and way more accurate. So first up is the SPSS, also known as the Statistical Package for Social Sciences. It's one of the most popular tools for analyzing survey and research data, especially in education, psychology, and business. The best part, you don't need to be a coding expert. SPSS has a friendly point-and-click interface that lets you run things like correlation, regression, and analysis of variance in just a few clicks. So it's perfect if you want professional results without too much technical stress. Next up is the Smart PLS. So this one is a gem for anyone doing structural equation modeling, or SEM for short. It's great when you want to analyze complex relationships between variables. Smart PLS is super visual. You drag and drop variables, you draw connections, and boom, it gives you results like the path coefficients, the R-squared values, and model fit. So this tool is perfect for marketing, management, or social science research. Next is the R Studio, a free and open source software that's great for more advanced users. So R Studio lets you do complex statistical modeling, beautiful graphics, and data manipulation with ease, especially when you use packages like the ggplot2 and the dplyr. It's a bit technical though, but if you learn it, you have full control over your analysis and can even automate your reports. Coming in fourth is Stata, which is super popular in economics, public health, and social science research. Stata is perfect for panel data analysis, logistic regression, and survival analysis. So this tool is a mix of point and click and command line. So it's flexible whether you're a beginner or a pro. Many researchers love it because it's reliable and produces publication-ready tables and graphs. And finally, we have the eViews, short for econometric views. So this tool is mostly used for time series and econometric analysis, like when you are studying GDP growth, inflation trends, or stock market data. It's designed for economists and finance researchers who want quick, accurate statistical modeling, and you can easily run regressions, forecast future values, and test hypotheses. Yes, so if you need the links to download any of these tools, you can comment with your email or personally message me and I'll send you the link. I hope you found this one useful. See you in the next one.